Hey, welcome guys. In this session, we are going to discuss what are different benefits of learning WordPress. Every time I'm saying you need to learn one skill and you can monetize that skill so that you can earn money from online business. Now, WordPress is one of the best skill right now to learn and earn money from internet. So let us discuss what are different benefits you can get once you are learning WordPress. So without wasting time, let's jump into the actual content. Here I am going to discuss one by one top 5 benefits of learning WordPress. So number 1 benefit is WordPress remains the world's most trusted website platform in future. Today is a December 2025 and almost 50% of websites available on internet are built on WordPress right now. Now WordPress is very popular in website developers. The reason is its simplicity and acceptability on all different devices, and it's very easy to use and it's a rapid development platform. Now it will power more than 40% websites in 2026, and that's why learning WordPress is one of the best option right now for all of you. It's a future proof skill with long term relevance. So not only for 2026, it will remain for next few years and it will be the latest technology. The reason is very simple. The websites developed on WordPress are fast and it supports all different devices. It has a lot of plugins, themes, and very easy to develop rapid development platform. The huge global ecosystem like themes, plugins, and a lot of different updates are coming continuously. And most importantly, those updates will be done automatically without your interaction with servers and updates and all. Auto updation facilities are available for WordPress, and this is the most important benefit of learning WordPress. Let's move to the second benefit, why to learn WordPress. It is a high income opportunity with zero coding required. Now this is very important. Without writing a single line of code, you can earn a lot of money by learning and using WordPress. You can earn around 8,000 to 50,000 per website that you are going to develop, and you can work as a freelancer and you can get a lot of different projects available on different freelancing platforms. In my community, I am teaching how to build your profile, how to stay updated, and how you can get international projects so that you can earn in dollars. Now it's a perfect skill for students, beginners, and even non-tech learners. If you don't have any coding background, there is no issue. You can start working with WordPress. And without writing a single line of code, you can earn money. Now it offers services like landing pages, blogs, business sites. WordPress is basically designed for blogs. Even if you're a influencer, if you want to write blogs, WordPress is the right option for you. If you are a businessman, WordPress is the right option for you. You can develop your own business website by using WordPress. And very important, see, when you are a businessman and you are developing your website, no one knows your business more than you. So if you develop your website, if you know the skills, how to design your site, how to place the things at right position, it will be beneficial for your business too. So abundant career opportunities are there by using WordPress technology. And even if you are having less knowledge of technology or coding, you can use WordPress without any hesitation. The third benefit, if you are using AI along with WordPress, then there are a lot of opportunities available for you. AI plus WordPress combination makes website builder faster and more impactful. Now that is very important. Now you can write content by using AI and put it at right position by using different facilities available in WordPress. You can also use layout optimization. AI optimizes your website layout for better design. It will be very good option for you. And you can improve your user experience by using proper AI techniques. It will increase more engagement between your website and user. And when there is more interaction, more engagement, user stays for more time on your website. And that is one of the most important skill of web developer or designer, to attract more traffic, to attract more users, and to retain existing users by engaging them. So WordPress is very good for user engagement. You can build your own identity and online business. This is the fourth benefit that I'm going to discuss. If you have a knowledge of WordPress, you can develop your own identity from scratch. step by step, you can create your own digital ecosystem identity on internet. So create your online presence first by using your website. Then you can enhance your personal brand, you can make it attractive, you can attract more traffic, you can use SEO techniques so that more users you will attract to your website. Then you can use networking and collateral services, and you can use social media awareness, engage with your audience, you can create your own community, and finally you can build your trust among your customers community. So this is the fourth benefit of learning WordPress. You can develop your own portfolio. You can start blogging techniques, you can use e-commerce store, you can create a coaching website, you can create your own LMS, that is learning management system, and full 100% ownership will be available with you only. So WordPress is free of cost, open source technology available. You don't need to purchase any kind of license. You can just develop your website and publish it. 100% ownership will remains with you. The last and fifth benefit that we are going to talk in this video is it is the fastest digital skill to learn with quickest earning potential. So immediately you can learn within 15 days. I have designed a WordPress course that is available in just 199 rupees, where you will learn entire WordPress in just 15 days. And in these 15 days, I am going to teach you how to develop a website right from scratch without writing a single line of code. At the end of these 15 days, you will have your own website ready with you. I am going to teach everything in detail, right from what is website, what is URL, how to host, where to host, how to start with WordPress. Everything I am going to cover. And if you are spending 2 hours daily, within 15 days you will be able to develop your own website by using WordPress. That much easy this is. It's very simple, quickest technique to learn, and you can learn the basics, acquire fundamental WordPress skills in a very short period of time. Then you need to learn how to use freelancing, how to get the projects from internet. You can develop your website and earn money just sitting at the comfort of your home. Finally, step by step you can scale your skills and improve your earning capacity. At the end of 1 year, you will be earning in lakhs per month. That is the power WordPress has inside it. These are different 5 skills. If you like this video, if you got any value from this video, please like this video, share with your friends, and keep watching my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and keep visiting my channel, watch the videos. And if you are really interested to learn complete ecosystem of web development, WordPress and digital marketing, freelancing, all those things, you can join my community just by joining one simple WordPress course of rupees 199. Thank you.